This short clip is intended to give a brief overview of the IP Laser Drawing Doctor. The Drawing Doctor is intended to be used as a tool to load drawings into a quote and to help deal with common drawing issues as they arise. The Drawing Doctor is loaded from the quote menu bar. Note that you can still load drawings using the existing tools. Let's now look at the Drawing Doctor. For this video, we will load some good drawings to illustrate how to navigate your way around the screen. We start by selecting the Add Drawings button. Existing users will be familiar with this screen. Let's add some drawings. As usual, you can select multiple files by holding down the Control key, or you can select a range of files by holding down the Shift key. As the drawings are sent to the server, simple problems are automatically fixed. Now that we have some drawings loaded, let's look at various parts of the screen. The left side of the screen is a list of the drawings loaded so far. Click anywhere on a row to select that drawing. You'll notice that when you click on a row, the graphic to the right updates. This graphic is a vector representation of the drawing and allows you to interact with the part. The top row of the graphics area is a toolbar that you can use to work with the part. The content of this toolbar may change depending on what you're doing. You can get an explanation of the tool by hovering over the tool itself. You can use the Zoom Window tool to zoom into an area of interest. Click and hold, and let go. Note that this tool stays selected so you can continue zooming. Change the tool to pan. Finally, return to the initial view. You can change the size of the various parts of the screen by dragging the splitter bar. You can also close the rows to give you a bigger view of the part. The second row of the graphics area allows you to set the detail of the part. Clicking Apply updates the part definition in the list. You can select multiple parts by using the checkbox to the left and apply material changes in one go. You can also select all the parts by selecting the checkbox at the very top. So we can change all of the parts in one hit. You can select one part and delete it from your list. Once you are happy with your parts, click the Send Drawings to Quote button to return the parts to the quote. From here, you can carry on as normal.